Hey there loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Lateisha and I am so glad you guys decided to stop by. I'm so happy that you clicked on today's video and I hope that you do consider subscribing if you are not already subscribed. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 very easy, simple spring decor ideas for the entryway. I have not started decorating yet for spring, but I am still playing around with decor ideas. If you have already decorated for spring, what is your spring look for 2024? Is your style more modern, organic, contemporary? I would say living here in Europe, our style is more Scandinavian, but let me know what your guys' favorite style or looks are for this year. For my first look, I wanted to start off with 2 vases, and I'm using smaller vases because my tabletop is not very large, but if it was bigger, I would definitely use some larger vases. So I'm going to put those 2 vases down. Then I'm going to fill it with these cherry blossoms. I actually found more of the cherry blossoms than I had, guys, so I added about 3 more to my current collection. I'm so excited that I found them because I really do love the flowy look of this stem. So I'm going to add those to the tallest vase and just try to make it look as full as I can. Next, I'm going to be adding some books to my tabletop. I decided to add books on both ends because I do love decorating with coffee table books. So I decided to incorporate a lot of books into this look. If you are interested in anything that I'm using in my video, definitely check the description box down below. I will do my best to link it for you guys. Next, I added a couple of my glass Easter eggs. You can add whatever you want on top. A bowl, a candle, some bunny rabbits if you want. Whatever you want, or you can just leave it plain. I do like how this look came out. It was very simplistic and for me, very modern. For my second look, I'm going to go with this really large white vase that I always use. I actually upcycled this. This was a vase that I got from my mother-in-law. I'm going to add a second vase right next to it, and in the tallest vase, I'm going to be adding a few stems. I got these stems from Taco as well as Globus. As you can see, the flowy one is just so beautiful and it was so affordable. Absolutely love the look of this. I think I'm gonna go back and get a few more stems in this look so I can just have a really big full vase of only these stems because I just love the way it looks so much. Because the taller stems are just stark white, I went in with some of these shorter stems and I got these ones from Globus and the taller ones were from Teddy. These ones were only €2, so €1 and about 99 cents. And I love that they have just a little pop of yellow in it because I really wanted to decorate with only yellow flowers this year. But when I saw these white flowers, it completely changed my mind on my look for the spring this year. But I love that these ones have just a little slight pop of yellow in it just to make the flowers not look just all stark white, but to bring just a little bit of color and contrast and life to the look. Next, I'm going to add a stack of coffee table books as well as some candle holders, and I absolutely love the look of these candle holders. They actually look like cocktail glasses, but they're candle holders, and it brings such a elegant, chic look to the table. I absolutely love this look. Let me know what you guys think down below about this one. For my third and final look, I went back in with this really large vase and I decided to add some of these twig-like stems. You guys always see me use these, but it just made me feel like when spring is just starting and your flowers are just starting to get those buds. That's what this reminded me of. So I wanted to add this to the vase. It's very simplistic and it's like the start of spring, the start of a new beginning, new life on the trees and the flowers and whatnot. That's what it did for me. So I'm going to add those in with a few more twig-like stems and also these long flowy stems. I'm not really sure what these are, but I love the flow of them. You guys have seen me use these many times as well in my decor. I have no idea what they are, but they're so pretty. I absolutely love them. At this point, I need to invest in a large credenza because I'm running out of table space. To the other end of the table, I'm going to add 2 more vases, a tall one and a shorter one on the inside of it. And then I'm going to add my coffee table book. I did go back and add a second coffee table book just to give it a little bit more height. But on top of that, I added my candle holders as well as some candlesticks. To the taller vase, I'm going to add some peonies to it. I hope I'm saying that right, peonies. Anyways, I did buy some more white flowers just to add to the other parts of my home, but I'm going to fill that in with some of my hydrangeas. I also created a smaller picture that looks similar to this large one that's on the wall. You guys know that every single picture or painting in my home is my own. It adds a personal touch to my home that I absolutely love, so I do all of my paintings, and plus it gives me time to practice for when I'm ready to make that really large piece. But I did make a similar one in a smaller version that I added to the tabletop as well, next to the vase and behind the books. I absolutely love this look as well. You guys have to let me know down below which one was your favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do remember to subscribe before you leave and comment down below because I love chatting up with you guys. Until the next one, auf Wiedersehen.